Hello and welcome to COVID-19 News Bulletin, brought to you by Qatar Media Corporation. The Ministry of Public Health reported 1,368 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 and 1,597 recoveries over the last 24 hours. This takes the total number of recovered patients in Qatar to 45,935. The ministry also reported that 3 people died due to the virus, and it's extended its condolences to the families of the deceased. According to Hamad Medical Corporation, more than 170 COVID-19 patients have received plasma treatment. Half of those patients have shown improved clinical symptoms and have eventually recovered from the virus. The CP treatment involves taking plasma from a recovered patient's blood and transfusing it into patients who are currently battling the virus to produce antibodies. Plasma from one recovered patient can be used to treat 1 or 2 infected patients. The Ministry of Endowment and Islamic Affairs announced the distribution of a second batch of food baskets for needy families in Qatar. The ministry launched the initiative in cooperation with Hifd al-Ni'mah Centre in light of the current circumstances of COVID-19 pandemic. The ministry initiative during the pandemic has benefited more than 1,035 families in need in the first batch and 1,500 families in the second batch. The Ministry of Public Health participated in an Arab seminar through a video conference held on the Arab Food Safety Policy Project. Qatar has been assigned by the Arab Food Safety Team of the General Secretariat of the League of Arab States to prepare an initial draft on the basis of latest references and international best practices in this regard. The draft was presented by the head of the Ports Health and Food Control Section in the Ministry of Public Health, Khalid Yusuf As-Salati. It provides the technical basis of joint coordination and standardization of procedures between the competent authorities in the Arab countries to advance food safety and related legislation. The representation mission of Qatar Red Crescent Society in Yemen is continuing its efforts to combat COVID-19 by supporting the struggling health system amid scarce finances. The director of Al Jamhouri Teaching Hospital in Taiz Governorate, Dr. Nashwan Al-Husami, described the support as the first of its kind to be ever received. The Qatar Red Crescent is providing protection to hospital staff who are at the front line treating coronavirus patients. With that, we wrap up today's COVID-19 News Bulletin. For more updates, you can follow us on our social media platforms at COVID-19 Qatar, and detailed news can be found on our website covid19qatar.info. Bye for now and stay safe.